Hello creative soul, I am Pratima Paudel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this is my first video on YouTube. I will be making videos for aspiring fashion designers. I will try to give my basic tricks and techniques for fashion illustration, fabric rendering, sketching, embroideries and many other things. I would like to share my knowledge and skills that I have developed till now. I am not a professional teacher, but I will do my best and wish you guys will support me as well. So let's get started. So guys, this is fashion illustration. Fashion illustration is the art of communicating fashion ideas in a visual form. Fashion illustration is so important in the field of fashion designing. It is the skill to communicate designers' imagination, concept and ideas through sketches or drawings. It is also known as fashion sketching. It plays a major role in designing to visualize designs before showing actual garment. For fashion illustration, first we have to draw fashion figure and later on we put garment on figure. This kind of figure, which is also known as fashion croquis. Every croquis has measurement, either figure is on 3/4 or walking pose. We have to keep all this in mind while drawing figure. So the very first thing you need to start drawing is pencil, eraser and sharpener. This is my sharpener. And sketchbook or drawing book. Most drawing materials are so expensive and I recommended that please avoid expensive materials. As you grow as an artist, after you have skills and confidence, you can try different materials. So pencil is most important tools in drawing. With the help of pencil, we can draw all the elements, shapes and figures. There are different grades of pencil, but for basic drawing we use HB and 2B, and for shading 4B, 6B, 8B were used. Here I have Faber-Castell drawing pencil which cost 45 to 50 rupees. This pencils comes as a pack of 6 sets comprising 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 8B. So second materials is drawing paper. For drawing we need good quality paper because sometimes we use more layer of color and water on papers, and if we use light paper it will not hold much water. But for beginner you can practice on any kind of sheet you want. I have many sketchbook, like here I have Taj White which has 120 GSM. I have another one also, Pro Sketchers, which has 130 GSM. I know it has good quality paper. This sketchbook is not so bad, but above all the sketchbook I have used, I love this Brusto sketchbook which has 160 GSM. It has a good quality paper for illustration. It is more durable and hold watercolor without too much leaking on the opposite sides of the paper. So firstly, when you start drawing, you have to understand the value scale or gray scale. Value scale defined as how light or dark something is, and it is used in drawing to depict light and shadow effect. Without light and shadow we couldn't draw anything. Shading represent the fall of light and shadow on surface, figures and garment also. It creates illusion and helps art look more realistic. If you are drawing this kind of fabric which looks like organza, you have to draw very lightly, and if you are drawing velvet or leather which is heavier in look, you have to show light and shadow on this kind of fabric. For shading, we can use different method like hatching, cross hatching, scumbing, smudging, steeping, etc. After understanding value scale and shading, when you start drawing, you need a proper warm-up for the best result and improvement. For exercise, you can use normal paper. Here I am using this kind of notebook. Just hold your pencil like this and start drawing strokes. Always make sure that you work from your shoulder, not from your wrist or finger. Draw strokes like this, okay? Don't do like this or this. Just work from your shoulder. Start by drawing a series of parallel and vertical lines equally spaced. You may be thinking that I can't draw a straight line. Chill, that's fine. Just drag your pencil, focus on the motion and just practice. My aim is to initially getting over the fear of drawing. There are different types of lines which comes under elements and principles of designs. I will make different videos for this topic. So second exercise is circle. It's basically impossible to draw perfect circle, but don't worry. If your circle isn't perfect, just practice. Similarly, make other shape also, like oval, S shape, cylinder, cubes, rectangle, triangle, etc. These are the basic shapes that will aid your drawing object more accurately. These techniques can be used when doing a still life and object you wish to draw. First, observe the image correctly and determine what basic shapes are needed to render the object. So here I am drawing a candle. First, I have to draw basic shape which looks like an elongated rectangle. Draw rectangle using very light line and contour the drawing, adding some drops of melted wax. Remove unnecessary guidelines and add flame on it. Add some shadow. And yeah, done. Likely I have drawn many images like this, like bulb, candy, coffee mug, eraser, cherry, and I have drawn fabric also, folds of fabric. You can draw mandala also. So this is mandala, which I have drawn. Here I have used different lines, circles and pattern on it. You can also draw like this. Just kill your fear and be confident. As you practice, you can draw anything, like go to the kitchen, look around and sketch whatever. You can draw anything, start with coffee mug, dry fruits, anything you see around, just practice. Okay? So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find my video helpful, do not forget to subscribe my channel and comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Take care and practice.